This is the DT Watch X, or Watch 10 10th Anniversary Edition. It's an Apple size and shape smartwatch. It's got always on display when you have it set for digital or analog faces, lots of different styles, and a tremendous selection of active watch faces in here that you can choose from to play with. A lot of them downloadable from the store, and of course you got stock faces that come with it too. When you press the side button, you come into all of your different controls where you can get information, your power level, Bluetooth setup, twist your wrist, do not disturb, nice bright overall flashlight in it as well. When you swipe up, you get notifications sent from your phone if you have any. Going down, you get into all kinds of information, your step count, heart rate, weather in your area, music player, and more. When you swipe on further, you get all of the apps installed in here. That includes blood pressure, blood oxygen, again, heart rate, AI voice, your Siri or Google is on here. You got a nice loud and clear voice recorder, compass in this one. And a bunch of different games are in here as well. You have different information here. The whole portfolio of your daily activities are shown, including workout sessions. You've got heart rate and blood oxygen measurements, direct access to the music player that will play music from your phone or the local music, 4 gigabyte storage in this guy, weather in your area, and more. It's a really nice design. Of course, it's got the standard round knob and pill button here, loudspeaker on the side, always on AMOLED screen, and many different fun watch faces. Again, it is the DT Watch 10, or Roman numeral X, 10th edition from DT #1, of course. Check it out.